So now we're going to talk about the female and male reproductive system. I'm going to start with the female first. I do have a diagram. Um, so this part right here is just basically called the vagina. And this blue part is the external part of the cervix. And this is the cervix itself. And then this part is the uterus. And then this part is called the uterine tube. And then we have the infundibulum fembrae, if I'm saying it correctly. And then we have the ovaries, and then the ligament right here. So for females, the process of fertilization is when you have your menstrual cycle and you are ovulating. That happens once a month. Your egg comes out of your ovaries and into your fallopian tube, and it basically waits for sperm to come and fertilize the egg. Once it's fertilized, it's going to go into the uterus. So now for the male reproductive system, the outside, so this is called the scrotum. This is the sac-like skin on the outside. And then this green part is going to be called the testis. And then this is going to be called the epidermis, the one that's like around the testis. And then this is going to be called the ductus deferens. So then we have here the male bladder, and then we have the seminal vesicle right here. And then here we have the ejaculatory duct. And then here we have so there we have the prostatic urethra. And then right here is going to be the external urethra. So out here we have the glans penis, that's the outside here, and then we have the spongy part of the urethra. And as you notice that the bladder and the ejaculatory duct sort of come out through the same spot. That's where the male pees and ejaculates as well. So during fertilization, that's where the sperm, which in other words, it can be gamete as well, and the female egg, they come together and it forms a zygote. And that's the beginning of pregnancy, where it forms into an embryo. So the sperm, it needs to be able to break through that outer layer of the female egg, where they combine together, and the egg and the sperm mixes the genetics, and then it goes through a series of chemical reaction.